Hi, this is Rushali and you're watching Rusharaj Classes YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to continue our chapter, that is pair of linear equations in two variables. Mathematics of Standard 10th. 3 videos of this chapter are already uploaded on our channel, that is Rusharaj Classes. You can check the link of those videos in the description box. To solve this pair of linear equations in two variables, we have 4 methods. Graphical method, substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Substitution method and elimination method is explained in our previous videos. Now in this video, I am going to explain you the next method, that is cross multiplication method. Even this is quite easy method. So I will be solving 2 examples to explain this cross multiplication method. I would like to request all my viewers to watch this video till end. Means to watch both the examples carefully so that you will understand this cross multiplication method properly, perfectly. So let's start with this cross multiplication method. Pair of linear equations in two variables. The first thing what we have to do in this method is, when we get the two equations to solve, we have to write those equations in general form. Now general form of the two equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now for cross multiplication, what we are supposed to do? What we have to do here is, we have to write x, leave some space, write y and 1. X, y and 1. Now next what we have to do? Here, b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and again b1, b2. We have to maintain this order. We have to start with b1, b2, then c1, c2, a1, a2 and again b1, b2. And what we have to write here? X, y and 1. Now how to cross multiply? Our cross multiplication goes like this. Now next what we have to do? Here, x upon b1 into c2, b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1. Next is equal to y upon c1 into a2, c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1, c2 into a1. And last fraction is 1 upon, because we have 1 here, 1 upon a1 into b2, a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1, a2 into b1. Now when we solve this, okay, when we solve this by substituting the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, we get 3 fractions. X upon something, y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. Means we get some numbers here in the denominator. Then what we have to do? Equate this first part. Okay, equate this first part to the last part and equate this second part, that is y upon something, whatever we get, to this fraction. So by solving this, we get the values of x and y. So I think when we solve the examples, what exactly we have to do after this will be quite clear to you. So these steps we have to follow. Okay, write the equations in the general form, then x, y, 1. Write b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and b1, b2. X upon b1 into c2 minus b2 into c1 is equal to y upon c1 into a2 minus c2 into a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 into b2 minus a2 into b1. So this is what we have to do. Let's solve our first example based on this cross multiplication method. First example, 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. These are the two equations given to us and we have to solve these equations by cross multiplication method. Okay. First thing what we have to do, we have to write this in general form. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, next what we have to do? We have to write down the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. Let's write that. a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5. a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 2, c2 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now next thing, x, y and 1. Okay, x, y and 1. What we write here? We write b1, b2, c1, c2, a1, a2 and b1, b2. We have to cross multiply. Let us write these values. X, y and 1. b1, b2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. c1, c2. Minus 5, minus 8. Minus 5, minus 8. Then a1, a2. 2 and 3. 2, 3 and again b1, b2. 1 and 2. Fine. Now what we have to do? Cross multiply. Now cross multiply. We have to write the answers. Here, x upon 1 into minus 8. 1 into minus 8 is minus 8. Minus 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Okay. Then is equal to y upon minus 5 into 3 minus 15 minus minus 8 into 2 minus 16 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 4 minus 3 into 1, that is 3. Now let's write what exactly we have here. Let's write the exact answers. X upon minus 8 plus 10 minus 8 plus 10 is equal to y upon minus 15 plus 16, minus into minus plus, and 1 upon 4 minus 3, we have 1. So what exactly we have here? Let's see. X upon minus 8 plus 10 plus 2, y upon minus 15 plus 16, 1, and here we have 1 upon 1, or we can also write only 1. We have to equate this. X upon 2 is equal to 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So the meaning of this is x is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. Now similarly, let us equate this. Y upon 1 is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. So here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is our cross multiplication method to find the values of x and y. Even this method is quite simple and interesting. So here just we have to check the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Write it accordingly, cross multiply, solve, and we get the values of x and y. Now let's solve one more example so that this method will become quite clear to you. Watch this video till then. Second example, x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. These equations are already given in general form. So what we have to do? Straight away we will write the values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. a1 is 1, b1 is minus 3, c1 is minus 7, a2 is 3, B2 minus 3 and C2 is minus 50. Okay, values we have noted down. Next, X, Y and 1. So here B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2 and B1, B2. Our cross multiplication goes like this. Let's write the values. X, Y and 1. B1, B2. Minus 3, minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3. C1, C2. Minus 7, minus 15. Minus 7, minus 15. A1, A2. 1, 3. 1, 3. And again B1, B2. Minus 3, minus 3. Fine. Our cross multiplication. X upon minus 3 into minus 15 is plus 45 minus 3 into minus 7 plus 21 is equal to y upon minus 7 into 3 is minus 21 minus 15 into 1 is minus 15 is equal to 1 upon 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. We have multiplied and written the values. Now here our fraction x upon 45 minus 21. 45 minus 21 is equal to y upon minus 21 plus 15. Minus 21 plus 15 is equal to 1 upon minus 3 plus 9. Minus 3 plus 9. Let's see what values we get here exactly. Here we get x upon 45 minus 21. 45 minus 21, 24. X upon 24 is equal to y upon minus 21 plus 15. Minus 21 plus 15 is minus 6. And here 1 upon minus 3 plus 9 is plus 6. Now we have these fractions. Let's equate this. X upon 24 is equal to 1 upon 6. So x is equal to 24 goes here. 24 upon 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are. X is 4. Let's take this now. Y upon minus 6 is equal to 1 upon 6. So y is equal to minus 6 upon 6. 6 ones are 6 ones are. But we have one minus sign. Minus 1. So in this case, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. So this is what is cross multiplication method to find the values of x and y. So I think 2 examples are enough to make you understand what is the meaning of cross multiplication method. So we have completed 3 methods: substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Now one more method, that is graphical method, is remaining. So graphical method we will continue in our next video. So to get the updates of the videos which we upload here, what you have to do? You have to subscribe our channel. So once you subscribe our channel, you will get the regular updates of whatever videos we upload here on our YouTube channel. And as these videos are specially for the students of standard 10, so please do share these videos among your friends. And my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.